Look at that sauce, boy. Ooh. Hey, welcome back to Super Chido. What am I doing? Not a damn thing. Pretend I'm changing this light bulb. Is it funny? I don't know. You tell me. I'm just bored in my backyard. But I did come out with an idea. What do I want to make today? Al pastor, chorizo smash burgers with eggs and animal style chorizo fries with an authentic In-N-Out recipe. How do I get that recipe? Don't worry about it. You know it's real because when you make it and taste it, you're going to go, hell yeah, I didn't get burned and I learned. Now for our In-N-Out spread, we use half a cup of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of yellow mustard, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickled relish, quarter spoon of salt, quarter spoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of white vinegar. Now we're gonna mix all this up until it looks like this. Almost forgot, half teaspoon of sugar. As always, we're gonna slice and dice our onions very, very finely into little tiny, tiny squares. And for our chorizo burgers, you can make these as big and as small as you want. The choice is yours. As you can tell, I'm not adding no oil, no butter or anything, because these things are greasy as hell. So just put them in and, you know, do your thing. Now I put on a bunch of butter because that's just the way I like my grilled onions, with a lot of butter, especially if I'm gonna put them on the griddle. Gotta keep turning over these onions. Make sure they're super grilled, like Super Chido. Look at that sauce, boy. Ooh. Just like that. Look at that. And a good breakfast it is. With Super Chido. You said you can do animal style fries. And swipe. And we slid back to our normal studio. Check out this, in case you didn't see it, check it out. Oh boy, oh yeah. I can't get enough of it. These fries though, look at that. Look at those fries. Right there, look at those fries. My son thought I put packets. The In-N-Out packets that people save. He thought I used that. Well, a good morning it is, and it's still gonna be while I finish this, so hope you learned something today and you enjoyed this breakfast. So watch and learn, and don't get burned.